Senator Francis Escudero's 30 million peso campaign finance violation was dismissed by the COMELEC's Political Finance and Affairs Department last year on grounds his friend and donor, Lawrence Lubiano, as an individual and not company owner, did not have existing contracts with the government at the time. Meanwhile, Senator Rodante Marcoleta's alleged campaign violation was thrown out because the COMELEC sustained his claim that he received 75 million pesos in donation before the 2025 midterm polls officially began. Now both their contributors are being summoned as new angles on the same probes resurface, as our RR Tubise reports.
The Commission on Elections or COMELEC Law Department is now handling the complaint for a preliminary investigation of the case in connection with the alleged campaign donation to Senator Chis Escudero.
Ang ating pong pagkakaalam ay na-issue na rin po yung subpoena naman sa tatlo na contributors, dahil tatandaan po natin na yung po kasing sa contributors ay hindi po siya dismiss.
According to Garcia, the current complaint is different because it was filed by a private individual.
Tatandaan po ng lahat, para po magkaroon ng maliwanag na hati o distinction. Tatandaan po ng lahat, yung ginawa ni COMELEC dati ay motu proprio investigation. Nakabase lang yun sa available na dokumento, available na evidence, wala pong nagreklamo, wala pong complainant.
There are also documents that the accused parties need to answer.
Ito po kasi may nag-file na isang complainant at therefore may mga ibang dokumento na involved, may mga inintroduce na dokumento, and therefore yun po kinakailangan nating ipasagot yung mga dokumentong yan doon sa mismong inaakusahan.
Garcia clarified that even if there is a violation, disqualification is not automatic because this is only an election offense. Meanwhile, there is still no motion for reconsideration filed on COMELEC's earlier decision in the case of Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Garcia also confirmed that the Ombudsman is now coordinating with the COMELEC for some documents related to the investigation.
Ito po ay bago namin ginagawa, ito po ay dumadaan din naman sa aming tinatawag na data privacy officer, bilang pagsala din sapagkat syempre gusto rin namin protektahan kahit pa ang humihingi ay ahensya ng pamahalaan, yung data privacy.
Garcia assured that the COMELEC will cooperate with the Ombudsman in the ongoing investigation. RR Tubise from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.